Hi guys, it's Stephen from James Glenn Car Sales. Remember and give us a subscribe, follow the channel. Take it. Who's been sitting in there? Hi, this is Stephen and welcome to the demonstration drive of our Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio Quad QV. It comes under many names, but yeah, because its name's quite complicated to say for me anyway. So this car has covered 19,845 miles by 2 owners, full Alfa Romeo service history, and being a 2019 car benefits from what Alfa called the 535 programme, which was 5 years of free servicing, 5 years warranty, 3 years of free servicing and 5 years roadside. The previous owner did also buy a 2 years extended service pack, so in effect this car has warranty until 2024 and also free servicing until 2024 as well. That does include the big 4-year service which is due next year, which generally costs between £1,500 and £2,000 depending on what dealer you speak to. So we're out in the car, oil temperature is up to a level where we can give it a wee squeeze and just demonstrate that the car operates exactly as it should. Yes, this is one very, very fast car. 503 brake horsepower, transmitted through to the rear wheels, through a fantastically configured 8-speed ZF gearbox. I'm holding on to an optional carbon fibre steering wheel, which is a lovely thickness to it, not too thick, not too thin, just the right size, and as I said earlier, just exactly where you want it. It's not too high, too low, it's just exactly where you want it. We've got lots of carbon in the dashboard, we've got red stitching on top of the extended leather in the dash. This vehicle has Hammond Kardon audio, Trofeo white paintwork, very rare adaptive cruise control, calipers in red, because why would you have your calipers in any other colour? Unless it was ceramics, they'd be yellow. So coming on to another wee straight, we'll give it another wee squeeze. The last time I drove this car was in the rain. This is my first experience of it in the dry, and it is phenomenal. The brakes take a little bit of getting used to as they're fly-by-wire, but otherwise, yeah, it's a seriously good car. And one that you need to remind yourself to calm down and from time to time. The vehicle's just come into stock. We've had it in stock for about 2-3 days. It's still to go through the workshop, still to go through its 82-point inspection, and still to have its MOT renewed. Once that has been carried out, we will then bring the car in to have it all fully detailed. We don't just valet cars here at James Glen. Everything gets machine polished, whether that's 1, 2 or 3 stages of paint correction before we apply a polish. We also do ceramic coating, which is an optional extra at £349. We also take cars from part exchange. We can arrange finance if required. We have finance calculators on the website. Visit www.jamesglen.co.uk. We are a very old business. We were established in 1982, and we are based in Airdrie. This vehicle has ticked your boxes, and if I can be of help at all, please feel free to contact the garage. The phone number to reach the garage on is 01236 77 9000. We are very active on Facebook. Please look us up and find out just exactly what we're like to deal with as a company. That's where you will find the majority of our customer feedback. Again, thanks very much for joining me on the demonstration drive. Hope you found the walk round video and this video of use, and look forward to being of help in the near future.